Well, hey there everybody. Hold on, get this chair a bit better. As you can see here, there's no lock. Now, used to be a big lock here, but now this year was made. If you look back in my earlier videos by Bobby Keys, and this is a 3D print of a Yale key. As you can see, the kind of letters. Alright, so I've hung that up there. It's going to be there from now on. Right, teacher time. I'm not rude. I'm just saying what everybody else is thinking. Now, what I should say at the bottom of there is what everybody else is thinking about you. That's what I just should think about. Right. Today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of eBay locks. I'm hoping this camera can't see all these eBay locks. There's a bunch in here. Right. Let's get on with number one here. This here is an old style 301/63 Lockwood. How I know it's old? Because it doesn't say ASA below it. If you see ASA below it, that's the newer style. That's the older style. Okay. So nice. Now you only get one key with this here, but that's it there. So let's have a crack at this thing here. Ooh, nice wee snap that. See, I just sitting down the table. I open once, and you hear the snap of them, and then after there, I dead on. I put them on this table here, and then I forget about them. And there's a bunch in here. I could make about 2 or 3 videos. See these locks here, these, I call them half moon. I'm going to try and collect as many of them as I can. I have a few of them, especially in American locks. No, like American whatever. Now, I don't know why you can see this one or not. It says camel. It says along there. It's very, very, very faint writing. Maybe I pulled over there a bit. Let's see. I can't remember what the snap this thing is like. Not bad. A bit less than that, but not bad. Bit hard to get in, but it's nice. Looks like a 5-pinner to me, just off the top of my head. Nice lock. I bought this here brand new the other day. It's a Yale. Now this here, I thought it was plastic, but it's not. It's actually metal, believe it or not. And I thought I had one of these here. And ooh, nice wee snap that. There's a query snap that. I thought I had one, but this came up on eBay. I can't remember what the price was, and I never thought nothing of it. And then one, I don't know why, I just looked in my collection and I didn't see one, so I went and bought it. So that's not there. Right. This here is a Regent green. That's the only reason why I bought. There was a yellow one. I don't know why there was a red one or not, but there was a yellow one anyway. It's about, I don't know what it is. I'm reading a tape measure now. It's one of them keys here. I forget the keys now, so it's not bad. Nice. Right, that's number 4. Let's try this one here. I got this morning. I bought this yesterday in England and it came this morning. Now there's another half moon one. And I actually have another one. I've actually another two here. But we're not going to them. Federal lock. Brand new. Well, it says brand new, but a couple of wee scrapes on it. Nice. No, she's let's see now, what way is this here? That's the key button on it there. See, this here came in about 15 hours. And that's the time your woman posted it in England. So, whoever, if I don't know why she's ever watches Locksport or not, but she does. Thank you very much. Right, that's 5. Right. Ooh, there's even same minis on this. This here is a best lock. We cylinder, obviously. I bought this obviously on eBay, as per usual. So that's the best key on there. I've got 2 of these keys. Can't remember what I paid for it. It's been sitting here for a while. So, right, that's number 6. I'll do one more. I don't want to do one of them here. Hold on a second. I want to show you a dinky one. I have 2 of these here. This is 30 mil. Now, alright. There's no snap up there, it's just a dead core or dead shackle. Brand new. I have another one which is making its way to somebody. That's hang on a bit. So, alright, there's 7 of them anyway, and still there's a bunch of them left here, and I'd love to go through them all, but I haven't got time. So everybody, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to be opening one of these here very shortly, because there's a competition one out there. But anyway, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.